guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually filming. I'm basically gonna go get my photos taken for my Nigerian passport. So I'll be doing my makeup in this video, and you guys will get to see what I decided to choose and how I decided to wear my hair for the photo. So if you guys like to see me get into that, make sure you stay tuned. So first things first, I'm going to actually prime my face using the Maybelline Master Primer, Oxidative Sunscreen Primer with SPF 30. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 25D Oh Boy palette, and I'm going to take this pencil brush, the M321 from Morphe, and this burnt orange right there. Now, using the same brush, I'm going to go in with this red right here, and this palette is the Fierce by Nature palette. I'm going to apply a lot more of this red in the front, but I'm going to start in the middle and work my way to the front. I'm going to take this M513 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to go in with this orange right here and basically blend out my entire crease. I'm going to dip it in this orange and take it above the red. And this is the same palette, Fierce by Nature. So that's good enough for me. Then I'm going to take this flat shader brush, it's the number 6 from the BH Cosmetics Midnight Festival collection, and blend those colors in. Totally appreciate you need one of these in your kit, right? And I'll just take whatever's on the brush and I'll just drag it toward the front, side by side, like windshield motions in a way. Now with that same M513 brush, going back into this palette, I'm going to choose this dark brown right here and put it in my outer corners. Okay, so next I'm going to take a M441 brush, and I'm going in between both palettes, and I'm going to go back into my Oh Boy palette, and I'm going to take this brown right here that was right above that brick red and then put it toward the front. And I'm, like I said, bringing it toward the front, but keeping that light brown we applied earlier there. I'm going to cut my crease using the Mocha concealer from BH Cosmetics, not from BH Cosmetics, from Too Faced. I'm going to take this color right here and apply it to my inner lids. And then going back with that M513 brush, get a little bit more of that dark brown and just blending. So now I'm going to use some foundation. So the foundation I'm using, and you guys already know this, is the Born This Way foundation in the color Chestnut. And I'm going to take like one of my favorite foundation brushes, and this is the number 1 from the BH Cosmetics collection. The real reason I really like this brush is because it's angled and it's fluffy. Like, application is flawless, honestly. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch, and I'm going to conceal my face using it. Okay, so next I'm going to contour my face, and I'm using the 197 Warm Deep Dark No Filter stick from ColourPop. Next, I'm going to bake my face and basically wrap up this look and come to you guys with a final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So I'm going to put some lashes on off camera. And then I'm using, on my lips, I'm wearing a brown lip liner, dark brown lip liner from the Beauty Supply store. And then I'm wearing the Artist Couture lipstick in the color Angel Baby, like one of my faves. And then, obviously, from this afterwards, I went and took my passport picture. And for whatever reason, they told me, like, you can't smile in passport pictures. Which I remember getting my US passport photo taken. and I actually was frowning because the person made me mad, so that's a different story. But my dad had a picture where he was smiling again, so I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I haven't taken a lot of passport pictures, obviously. But yeah, and just to find out, dude, they use filters. So girl, when you go take your passport photo, do the bare minimum makeup because it'll be a filter anyway, but still do it. Thanks guys for watching my video. Listen to me rant and ramble. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification to stay up to date with me. See you guys in my next video.